back to our show. Hi, thank you so much for joining for me and Billy again. Welcome back to the show where we teach you how to play the djembe. Now, last week we taught you the beat, beat, tap, tap, beat, beat, tap, tap. Today we have something different to show you. Now, again, before we start, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to quickly go off and grab your instrument and come back to join us. Billy, are you ready for the countdown? Billy's ready. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not? Here we go. Okay, so I'm ready. I've got my djembe. Billy's got his djembe, and I know you have your instrument ready. Now, before we start, think about the last time we met. What did I say that Billy and I like to do before we start to play the djembe? Billy, can you remember? Of course, Billy remembers. He always reminds me. Exactly. You have to wake your hands up because sometimes our hands can feel very tired. They can feel very stiff. Sometimes they could even hurt. But we like to wake them up before we start to play. So we're going to shake them up, shake them to the side, shake them to the side, and shake them down. Are you ready? I'm ready. Billy, are you ready? Billy's ready. Let's go. Shake them up, 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 to the side, side, side. The other side, side, side. Down, down, down. Now we're going to increase the speed. Let's go. Shake them up, 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 to the side, side, side. The other side, side, side. Down, 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 down. Okay, my hands are ready. My hands are good to go. Dele, are you ready? Oh, Dele's ready. Are you ready? Yep, you are ready. Okay, before we start, we've got a 3-minute timer. We're going to learn this beat in just 3 minutes. I know you can because you are all very, very super clever like Billy. You're all superheroes like Billy. Let's go. The timer has started. Right, so today we're going to learn beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, so I would have a turn. I want you to listen. Okay, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, now I'm going to do that one more time. Beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, now we're going to play together. Okay, let's go. Beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, I want us to get to a place eventually where you don't say the beat tap aloud anymore, but you can do the beat tap in your head so you can actually hear what it sounds like, okay? But for now, we'll still do the beat tap. Let's have one more go. Beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, now let's play together. Let's have one more go. Beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Now, last time I set you a challenge and we increased the tempo. Okay, so I want us to increase the tempo again today. So I want you to listen to me, I want you to watch my hands, and then we're going to have a go together. Okay, so I'm going to increase the tempo. I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, now I want us to do it together. Let's go. Oh, let's have a look at the time. Oh, the timer is counting down. I want us to increase the tempo a little bit more. I think you've got super speedy hands. You can, okay? Let's do it. Listen to me first, and then we'll have a go together. Okay, so I'm going to increase the tempo. I'm going to do that again. Right, we're going to do it together. Let's go. Well done. That was the second beat. So we've gone from beat, beat, tap, tap, beat, beat, tap, tap, to beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. Well done, guys. Now I want to set you a challenge before our 3 minutes is up. I want to set you a challenge. I want you to practice the 2 sounds together, okay? So This is what it will sound like. Listen to me. Wow, I think you can do it. Dele, do you think they can do it? Yes, Dele has a lot of faith in you. I think you can do it. All you need to do is just to keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice. And very soon, you'll be able to play as quickly as Dele and I can. So again, the beat today is beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap, beat, tap. But I can tell you, if you carry on practicing and you carry on playing, you'll be able to play it even faster than I can. So thank you so much for joining Dele and I. Hope you've learned something today. Please like, subscribe, share with your family, share with your friends. Tell them to come along for this journey on how to learn how to play a new instrument. Thank you so much. It's time for us to say goodbye. No matter what it is that you're doing, practice, 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 and you will get better. Have a nice day. Bye.